Looking for a memory card that can keep up with your dashcam or home security system without fail? The SanDisk high-endurance video monitoring card promises up to 10,000 hours of full HD video recording, meaning it won't quit when you need it most. Whether it's capturing your daily commute or monitoring your home around the clock, this card is built to handle the pressure. I've seen firsthand how this card holds up over time. After 3 years and roughly 40,000 miles of use in my dashcam, often exposed to harsh sunlight and extreme temperatures, it's still going strong. Unlike other cards that demand yearly replacement, this one just keeps delivering. Its shockproof, waterproof, and X-ray proof design means it's ready for whatever the road or weather throws at it. Plus, the included SD adapter makes it compatible with most popular security cameras, so it fits seamlessly into your existing setup. When you choose the SanDisk high-endurance video monitoring card, you're investing in a product backed by SanDisk's reputation as a global leader in flash memory technology. You get reliable performance, peace of mind, and a card that won't let you down when it matters. Inside the box, you'll find the 64 GB card, an SD adapter for easy use, and a Rescue Pro Deluxe download offer to recover files if needed. If that's you, someone who demands durability and dependable storage, this card is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your video monitoring experience.